Happy morning, kids. Today we are going to read an interesting chapter, The Cyclops. It's an adventure of Ulysses and his encounter with the Cyclops. Ulysses was the king of Greece, and Cyclops was a giant, huge man with a one eye in the center, a huge eye in the center. My kids, encounter means facing a danger. Now Ulysses encountered a huge giant man with a huge eye in the center. So let's read the adventure of Ulysses. The Greek kings found the rich treasure and shared it. Then they set sail for home, but Ulysses and his men got lost. My kids, the Greek kings found a rich treasure. Treasure means wealth, that is called khazana in Hindi, and they shared among themselves. And after returning to their place or home, Ulysses and his men got lost. They were lost on the island. After 2 weeks at the sea, they landed on island. All they had left to drink was some wine, which they took with them. Now they were only having some wine which they took with them. At the top of the cliff, they found a cave. Cliff means mountain. On that island, on the top of that mountain, they found a cave. Cave meaning gufa. Huge cheeses and buckets of milk were in it. When they reached at the top of the cliff, that is mountain, they found a cave, and inside that cave, my kids, there were cheeses and a bucket of milk. As you know, they were hungry and there was only some wine that was left with them. The men called out, but no one answered. The men called out, "Is there someone in the cave? Is there someone in the cave?" But no one replied. Now they said, "Let's go in and eat now," suggested Ulysses. Ulysses said, "Let us go inside the cave and eat something. Then we'll wait for the owner." Ulysses said, "We'll eat something and we will wait for the owner and we will tell him the reality that we came to your cave as we were hungry." A shadow fell on the men as they ate. When they were eating the huge cheeses and drinking milk, a huge shadow fell upon them. They looked up and saw a one-eyed giant, a cyclops, and they saw whose shadow was that? A giant man. That was Cyclops. He was having a huge eye in the center. He drove his sheep into the cave and rolled a rock across the entrance now and blocked them in. And Cyclops was so surprised, and what he did, he rolled his sheep inside the cave, and what he did, he rolled a rock, a big rock, at the and trap blocked them at the entrance, and blocked that rock at the entrance so that Ulysses and his men cannot go outside. His one enormous eye glared at the Greeks. Now what happened? His one enormous means huge. बड़ी सी आँख glared at the Greeks. Glared means to look in angry way. गुस्से में ग्रीक लोगों को देख रहा था. Who are you? He roared. He shouted very loudly. Who are you? The Cyclops snatched up the two men, and what he did in an angry, furious manner, he snatched the two men of the Ulysses. Snatched means to take something in a quick manner. He crushed them into his feast and ate both of them. The Cyclops was so dangerous, he held two of the Ulysses' men, he ate those men, two men. Then the Cyclops gave a loud burp and lay down and went to sleep. And after eating two men of Ulysses, he gave a loud burp and went to sleep. The men begged Ulysses. All the other men of Ulysses were requesting. Begged means request karna. To kill him before he ate them too. The other men of Ulysses were very scared that Cyclops will kill us also. He will eat us also. So they were requesting Ulysses, ki, please kill this man. Ulysses said, "No," said the wise king. "If I'll kill him, who will move that heavy rock and set us free?" Now Ulysses was very correct. He was correct. He was saying that if I will kill this giant man, then who will move this rock, huge rock that is blocked at the entrance? who is now, as you know, Cyclops has just blocked the entrance of the cave with a huge rock, and for them it was not easy to remove that rock from the entrance. Now Ulysses was saying that if I will kill this giant Cyclops, who will remove this rock from the entrance and who will set us free? The next morning, the Cyclops went out of the cave. And the next morning, what happened? He went out of the cave. He moved the heavy rock and back into its place. See how much powerful he is. He removed that heavy rock and back into its place. Trapping the men inside. Trapping means blocking inside. उनको कैद करना. Ulysses and his men had to think fast. They were thinking very fastly because they want to save their life. When the Cyclops returned, Ulysses offered him some wine. "What is your name?" asked Cyclops. After returning to the cave, Ulysses offered him some wine, and Cyclops asked him, "What is your name?" Cyclops asked. Ulysses replied, "My name is Nobody." Instead of telling him reality, he told his name as Nobody. He disguised his name, pouring out some more wine. "What a funny name!" laughed the Cyclops and fell asleep. Cyclops were feeling uh, sleepy and he started laughing after listening the name of the Cyclops, that his name is Nobody. Ulysses picked up an iron pole that he had sharpened. Now Ulysses was having a sharp iron pole that he had sharpened. उसका जो pointed part था, he had sharpened that. He heated the end in the fire, and he heated the sharpened part of the iron pole in the fire. Tiptoeing towards the giant eye, they plunged the red hot pole into his eye. And what they did when Cyclops was sleeping, he simply tiptoed and plunged means inserted that red iron pole into the Cyclops' eye. Now the Cyclops roared out in the pain. He was feeling so much pain because the iron pole was plunged. Plunged means inserted in his eye. Everyone on the island rushed to see what was wrong. Now, what happened? The Cyclops was roaring, he was crying in the pain. Everyone on the island, the other giant people came and see why Cyclops is shouting and asked what happened, what happened. He was shouting, "Nobody has hurted me, nobody has hurted me." The other people said, "If nobody poked eye out, I can't see." He was saying that nobody has poked iron pole inside mine. Nobody means Ulysses. But he wasn't knowing the reality that his name is Ulysses. "If nobody has hurt you, then stop crying like a baby." Everyone was disguised with the truth. Nobody was knowing the reality of the truth because he told his name as Nobody. And people were thinking that nobody means किसी ने उसको नहीं मारा. But in reality, Cyclops was calling out the name that nobody has hurted me. It means Ulysses has hurted me. People said, "If nobody has hurted you, stop crying like a baby," said the other giants, walking away. Now the blind and the furious Cyclops rolled away the rock. And now what happened? He was so angry that nobody was helping him. He simply was moving here and there in the cave with a pain as he was plunked with an iron pole inside the eye. And what happened? Furious Cyclops rolled away the rock. He simply moved away the rock. He waited for the Greeks to come out, but Ulysses had already planned their escape. He was waiting that let the other people of the cave come outside, but Ulysses and his men already had a plan to escape. Escape means to run away, bhag jana. He made his men tie three rams of flock together with the ropes they found on the floor of the cave. As you know, inside the cave there were three rams. Three rams means three rams of flock together means ram means male sheep. मेल भेड़ को कहते हैं ram. Okay, to the middle of the ram, one of Greeks suspended himself. Now what happened? They were tying three rams of flock together with a rope. Okay. As they passed, the giant felt the animals back in sight. As they were passing, they were giant Cyclops was feeling the sheep's movement. Okay. But never thought of their bellies. So all the men escaped. Cyclops was thinking that people are not moving. He was thinking that my sheeps are moving here and there, but he never thought of that Ulysses and his men are going to escape. Ulysses was the last one to pass, And who was the last one to pass? Ulysses. When they were few paces from the cavern, when they were few paces from their boat, Ulysses and his men released themselves from their arms and ran to their boat. They released themselves and they ran to the boat. I hope the chapter is clear to you and you have learned that we should face difficulties with courage and intelligence. You have seen that instead of feeling scared or getting terrified or losing hope, Ulysses has used his intelligence to save his life as well as others. I hope the chapters is clear to you. If you face any query, you can ask me. Thank you, kids.